IPL 2024 second qualifier match Sunrisers Hyderabad versus Rajasthan Royals. Schedule and best playing 11. Date 24 May. Time 7:30 PM. Venue Chipaka Stadium, Chennai. Sunrisers Hyderabad playing 11. Number 1 Travis Head. Number 2 Abhishek Sharma. Number 3 Rahul Tripathi. Number 4 Nitish Kumar Reddy. Number 5 Hendricks Klassen. Number 6 Abdul Samad. Number 7 Marco Denson. Number 8 Shahbaz Ahmed. Number 9 Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Number 10 Pat Cummins. Number 11 Thangaraz Sunatarajan. Rajasthan Royals playing 11. Number 1 Yashasvi Jaiswal. Number 2 Tom Kohler Cadmore. Number 3 Sanju Samson. Number 4 Ryan Farag. Number 5 Dhruv Jurel. Number 6 Ravichandran Öশ্বিন. Number 7 Ruben Powell. Number 8 Trent Boult. Number 9 Abish Khan. Number 10 Sandeep Sharma. Number 11 Yuzvendra Chahal.